Hey guys, Credit Repair Co. is back with another video for you today. So today I'm going to show you guys how an authorized user account can really help boost your credit score. So as you can see here, we got our client up 90 points to a 700. So let's go here. So she was at a 610 and we got her up 90 points by adding her an authorized user account. We added an $18,000 credit line and it was with Citibank. So let's go back to the details so I can show you guys. So I'm going to go here to credit age. And you can see here, it was a 6-year-old credit line. And you can see here, it had $18,000 on it. And this is what helped her boost her credit score 90 points. And we were able to do this in less than 30 days. So that's really amazing. She came to us because she needed help with getting approved for a home. So we were able to do that in a short amount of time. And it's really simple and easy. So if you guys have any questions, you can contact us. 424-328-0405, or you can visit our website at www.creditrepairco.net. And as you can see, these are the real results right here. A 610 to a 700 in less than 30 days. She went up 90 points. Thanks, guys.